Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Affirm virtual card. Affirm is a financial services company that offers a virtual card for online purchases. To get started, you need to have an Affirm account and be approved for a virtual card. First, apply for an Affirm account on their website or through their mobile app. Once you are approved, you will receive a virtual card that can be used for online purchases. Your virtual card will have a card number, expiration date, and security code, just like a traditional credit card. To use your Affirm virtual card, simply go to the checkout page of the online store where you want to make a purchase. Select Affirm as your payment method and enter your virtual card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. You will then be prompted to select a repayment plan, which can range from 3 to 12 months. Choose a plan that fits your budget and financial situation. Once you have selected a repayment plan, review and agree to the terms and conditions of your loan. After you have completed the checkout process, you will receive a confirmation email from Affirm with the details of your purchase and repayment plan. You can also log in to your Affirm account to view your purchase history and repayment schedule. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. You can set up automatic payments or make manual payments through the Affirm website or mobile app. Using an Affirm virtual card can be a convenient and flexible way to make online purchases. But it is crucial to use it responsibly and make timely payments to avoid any negative consequences. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Affirm virtual card and enjoy a seamless online shopping experience.